Good morning, kids. Hope you all are fine. Kids, in our last class, we have learned about the places of worship. Yes, in our last class, we have learned about the different places of worship for different religions. Now, today we will do revision of that, and along with that we will learn about the holy books of different religions. Yes, holy books of different religions. Do you know what is meant by holy book? Yes, holy book. Holy book is a religious book. Yes, holy book is a religious book. Different religions have their different holy books. Yes, and in holy books, the teachings, culture of each religion has been given, which they follow while the prayer. Okay, so hope you all are excited to know about the holy book of each religion. Let us see what it is. Places of worship. Places of worship. PLACES. Places. OF of WORSHIP. Worship. We have learned about different places of worship for different religions. So, just like the different places of worship, each religion have different holy books also. So, let us see which religion has which holy book. Okay, holy book is the book which we study when we do prayer. Okay, so see here, he is Ramu. He is Ramu. Ramu. You can see this boy. He is Ramu. He is a Hindu. He is a Hindu. 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 So, I have already told you that Ramu is a Hindu. Then he will go to worship in a temple. He will go to worship in a temple. 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 So, Ramu is a Hindu and he will go to worship in a temple. Understood? Now, the holy book of Hindu. Yes. See here. Here is one book. Bhagavad Gita. Yes. Bhagavad Gita. The name of the book is Bhagavad Gita. So, Bhagavad Gita is the holy book of Hindus. Okay. See here. BHAGAVAD. Bhagavad GEETA. Gita. Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita is the holy book of Hindus. So, we have learned that Ramu is a Hindu and he will go to a temple for prayer. Yes, and the holy book of Hindus is Bhagavad Gita. Okay, Ramu is a Hindu. Hindus worship in temple and the holy book of Hindus is Bhagavad Gita. Okay, now see here. See here, everybody. Now look at this girl. She is Zeba. 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 She is Zeba. She is a Muslim. She is a Muslim girl. MUSLIM. Muslim. So, Zeba is a Muslim. I have told you where Muslims goes for prayer. Yes, very good. Muslims worship in mosque. Muslims worship in mosque. See here, I have drawn a mosque. 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 So now let us see. What is the holy book of Muslims? See here, this is a book and the name of the book is Quran. The name of the book is Quran. The holy book of Muslims is Quran. 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 The holy book of Muslims is Quran. 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 So when Jeba goes to mosque for a prayer, she prays with the help of Quran. In Quran, the prayer of their God, that is Allah, has been given and she follows it. Okay, so we learned that Jeba is a Muslim. Jeba is a Muslim. She goes to a mosque in a she goes in a mosque for a prayer, and the holy book of Muslim is Quran. The holy book of Muslim is Quran. Now look at this boy. He is John. He is John. 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 John is a Christian. John is a Christian. Christian. John is a Christian, and I have told you in the last class that Christians go for worship in a church. Yes, Christian goes to worship in a church. Okay, Christian worships in a church. Now let us learn about their holy book. Do you know the holy book of Christian is Bible? See here, I have drawn the Bible, picture of a Bible. Okay, so the holy book of Christians is Bible. 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 In Bible, the teachings of Jesus Christ has been given, which Christians follow. Okay, see here again. He is John. John is Christian. So, where Christians go for prayer, very good, Christians go for prayer in church. And what is the holy book of Christians? The holy book of Christians is Bible. Okay. Now look at this boy. He is Gurjit. 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 He is Gurjit. Gurjit is a Sikh. 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 Gurjit is a Sikh. Now I have told you that where Sikh goes for prayer, yes, Sikh goes for a prayer in the Gurudwara. See here, I have drawn one Gurudwara over here. Sikhs worship in Gurudwara. 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 Sikhs worship in Gurudwara. Now look at here. Here is one book. Yes, this is the holy book of Sikh. This is the holy book of Sikh. The name of the book is Guru Granth Sahib. Guru Granth Sahib. Guru. Guru. Granth. Granth. Sahib. Sahib. Guru Granth Sahib. So, the holy book of Sikh is Guru Granth Sahib. So, what we have learned here? Gurjit is a Sikh. Gurjit is a Sikh boy. He goes for a prayer in Gurudwara. Gurjit goes for a prayer in Gurudwara, and the holy book of Sikh is Guru Granth Sahib. The holy book of Sikh is Guru Granth Sahib. Okay, hope you all have understood this. Now we will do a quick revision again. You all have to repeat after me, okay? See here, Ramu. He is Ramu. Ramu is a Hindu. Okay, Ramu worships in temple. Ramu worships in temple. Now tell me, what is the holy book of Hindus? The holy book of Hindus is Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita is the holy book of Hindus. Okay. Now see here. She is Jeba. She is Jeba. Jeba is a Muslim girl. Jeba is a Muslim girl. Jeba goes for a prayer in a mosque. Jeba goes for a prayer in a mosque. And the holy book of Muslims is Quran. Quran is the holy book of Muslims. Now look here. He is John. He is John. John is a Christian boy. John is a Christian boy. John goes for a prayer in a church. John goes for a prayer in a church. Now the holy book of Christians is Bible. The holy book of Christians is Bible. Bible is the holy book of Christians. Now look here. He is Gurjit. He is Gurjit. Gurjit is a Sikh boy. Gurjit is a Sikh boy. Gurjit goes for a prayer in Gurudwara. Gurjit goes for a prayer in Gurudwara, and the holy book of Sikh is, see here, Guru Granth Sahib. Guru Granth Sahib is the holy book of Sikh. Guru Granth Sahib is the holy book of Sikh. Hope you all have learned it properly. Take care everybody. Thank you. These are the holy books of different religions. Hope you all have studied well. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.